welcome back to Cooking with Veronica. Today I'm going to make another sweet recipe and it's going to be the white brigadeiro with some fun variations. Here are the ingredients we will need for this recipe. 1 sweetened condensed milk, half of thick cream, 100 grams of white chocolate sprinkles, around 25 small baking cups. For the variations, we will need 1 tablespoon of Nutella, 3 paçocas, that is a Brazilian treat similar to peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of caramel or dulce de leche, 50 grams of white sugar with cinnamon powder. For the Nutella and caramel, we will also need an icing nozzle and an icing sleeve. So let's go to the recipe. Put the sweetened condensed milk and the thick cream in a small pot. Turn on the heat in medium-high and start mixing it. Once it starts to bubble or get thicker, in case it doesn't bubble, put the heat just a little bit lower and keep mixing it. To see if it's ready, we have to be able to see the bottom of the pot, and also once you turn the spoon with a bit of the brigadeiro, it's not so continuous or like kind of liquid. So once it's ready, we'll turn off the heat, mix a bit more and transfer it to a bowl or a plate. Let it cool down naturally. It can take around 2 hours. Separate a container with water, a small spoon, and the baking cups. And in a plate, put the sprinkles. Let's start with the simpler one. Put a bit of the water in your hands, take a bit of the brigadeiro with the spoon, and make a little ball. Then roll the brigadeiros into the sprinkles to make sure it's all covered, and put it in the baking cup. For the Nutella one, we'll place the Nutella in the icing sleeve and reserve it. Then we'll take a bit of the brigadeiro, roll it and put it in sprinkles. Then repeat it at least 4 times. Once it's all with the sprinkles, place it in the baking cup and with the help of a toothpick, we'll do a hole in the brigadeiro. Take the icing sleeve and gently place inside the brigadeiro and press it, removing from the brigadeiro like this. For the caramel, we'll do the same procedure we did for the Nutella one. Then we'll take the brigadeiro, do the small ball and put it in the cinnamon powder mix. Then put it in the baking cups and open again with the toothpick and gently add the caramel. Now the paçoca one. We will use what is left from the brigadeiro dough and add 1 paçoca for this quantity. Then take it with a spoon and place it in the plate with the rest of the paçoca and put it in the baking cups. Repeat it until you finish the brigadeiro dough. That's it, we have really nice brigadeiros for a birthday party that we can even use as decoration in a table. I'm going to try the Nutella one, that's my favorite. What is nice about it, about the Nutella and the caramel one, it's when you bite, it goes like, the filling goes all inside, so it's really tasty. Try it at home and don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and like my video. Thank you, see you next Thursday.